guys, this is Rebecca Cohn, and I am coming to you today to talk about social images and where to find them. So when you're trying to create a post or a social graphic for your organization, for your company, for your nonprofit, sometimes it can be hard to find images that work. And I'm going to show you a couple quick and easy ways to do this. The first is through Google, and that's going to be the main one that this video covers. And then I'll also post some other websites that are either free or very inexpensive to get images that are allowed. So you're going to go ahead and type whatever you're looking for. So if you say clip art family, that's great. You're going to click the images, then you're going to click tools, and then you're going to see this. So label for reuse with modification. So if you click that, it definitely changes. You can see how many are less that are available. That doesn't mean you can't find something that'll work for you and your organization and change it slightly to make it work for you. Now, if you want to click labeled for reuse, that'll also change. So you just have to play around, but you have to make sure that these are non-commercial reuse, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modifications. You're going to work on non-filtered with by license, labeled for reuse with modification, and labeled for reuse. Once you get those, then you can actually copy those, save an image, and go ahead and save that. And then how I modify it is I'd go through Canva. This is a little bit longer than I was planning on doing, but I'll show you exactly what I do. So we have a website designer and a designer that does some of ours, but these are Canva's free, number one. So if you're creating a Facebook post, you can do this, and then you're going to click upload. What this will do is you can upload the image you just saved from Google. There it is. Sorry, it took me a second to find it. So here's the one that we picked. We're going to go ahead and do that. So we can do this, and then you can add a text really easily and just put happy family. And then if you're doing it for your social posting, I highly, highly recommend you use your actual logo. So you're going to go back to uploads, and I'm going to show you, these are obviously images that I've saved for specific things for all past that I've used. And then you can actually put your little logo on here, making this piece of art completely and totally yours. You have modified the image like they requested, and now you can publish it to Facebook. So hopefully this is helpful. I'm also going to be sharing a couple other stocks type of images that are going to be available to you as well. Again, most of them will either be free or very inexpensive. I hope this is helpful. I hope it makes sense. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask us below in the comments. We'd love to answer any questions you have. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.